It's time then. Let's get this over with. Come on, Skeever. Sorry, but this needs to be done.
Well, I guess it's time then, huh?
Time? What are you talking about, Skeever?
Are you joining in, or shall I do this myself?
Skeever, you're not going to do what I think you're going to do, are you?
Listen, you know as well as I do, this has to be done.
No. Skeever, no. Don't you dare. Forget about the whole thing. That exits the dialogue. Skeever, no. Don't you dare.
This is happening whether you like it or not. It must be done. I sure wish I could get your blessing, though.
Please, Skeever, don't do it. That's an exit. Forget about the whole thing. That's an exit. Continue in the dialogue. I don't really want to give you my blessing for that, to be honest.
Come on, what's the harm? Someone has to do it. Might as well be us.
I think I'm going to regret this.
We all do things we regret every now and again.
Yes, but we don't usually know we are going to do it beforehand. Does it not make sense?
What an observant yet unrelated point you made. Shall we start?
Fine then. Go ahead.
Wonderful. Let's get to it then.
Listen.
This may take a little while.
A little while?
One, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I'm not going to show you everything.
I could drink 5 bottles.
1, 2, 3, 4,
but
5.
these are steps.
Yeah.
Well, still, I drank more than that.
For all of you who think
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I had a fight with 10 slaughterfish once. They won. But I bit the head of one of them clean off. That was the first time I got ataxia.
for any of you who think
12,
there's some sort of
13,
shortcut,
14,
he counts faster.
Still,
He doesn't
not as
stop.
many
He
tricks
doesn't
as
count
I
in
can
full.
handle, but
He just
it's
stops
getting
talking.
there.
Sorry to disappoint you.
16,
I'm
17,
sorry. I mean, it's
18,
been 10 years
19,
and someone had to
20.
do it.
Oh, look. a
So,
sign.
thank you to all my patrons.
Let's take a look.
Love you very much. Thank you to
And
all
the
my
reef.
Discord
Before the birth
Jarls
of men,
for your
the
support and
dragons
help.
ruled all
And
London.
that's pretty much it. Let's
Their
end
word
this.
was the voice.